friends, hello, hello, hello. Welcome back to the vlog and happy birthday if today's your birthday. I am legit almost done with my matcha now because I have not had a moment to actually sit down and start the vlog yet. I was on the phone with my mom for a while, talking about a couple things, and then doing a little bit of email stuff, and then Connor's mom called me because she needed help with something, so been a lot of mom time, and now I get to spend a little time with you guys. So hello, welcome back. It's 10:30 here right now, and we have like a fairly light work day, but I do want to use the time that I'm going to have to work on cleaning our place. I want to do like a big clean as much as I can. I don't know, I'm just gonna go into it and see how it goes. But our place has really been needing it. It's been a while since we've gone a good clean in, just because it's been so busy. We've been like away every weekend or out every weekend, and then just like exhausted during the weeks, and there just hasn't been time to do it. So I'm trying to take advantage of this time with Connor being away to just get it done, plus just something nice, like he can come home to a really nice clean place and be able to relax, because he's just been so crazy busy with work lately, and I just think it would be nice to take something off of his plate. So that is our plan for today. Gonna come up with something yummy for lunch, and then very exciting, we are going to go out for a Galentine's Day dinner with Tara tonight. We're gonna get dressed up and everything. Full date night. When I made the reservation, I even like set the occasion to date night. But it's gonna be really fun. I'm very excited for a little girls' night Galentine's moment. And we are going to Osby, which is an Italian restaurant I've been to before, but only once, and it was amazing. I've been dying to go back, so very excited. So that's the update, and I'm going to go ahead, get into a little bit of work now. What is the plan for today? So basically what I'm trying to do is just knock out everything before lunch here. So in the next 2 to 3 hours, get everything for work out of the way. I'll have lunch and then move into cleaning. And we're gonna start with reviewing some influencer program stuff for one of my clients. We're working with a couple micro influencers, and we just got the list of like potential people to work with, so I need to go through and review and leave my notes for my clients. So that's what we're starting with. We're gonna move into some work for my Patreon. I'm starting to work on March content now. I have my full March content plan out, and actually by the time you're seeing this, that will be up on my Patreon. So I have my Patreon link down below if you want to go and see what kind of content is going up on my Patreon in March. You can check that out. It's going to be a lot of cool stuff. I'm actually very excited about the March content. And then I was thinking about maybe in April doing like a themed month, like portfolio month, and we'll just do tons of stuff about creating portfolios, portfolio examples, what you need, what you should have, stuff like that. So I'm thinking that could be fun to do, like some months that are like themed around a specific objective, like creating a portfolio, you know, and we'll spend the whole month working on creating our portfolios together. Anyway, that's just my little ramble there of some thoughts that I've had recently. Now let's go ahead and get into it. Lunchtime, friends, and today I'm going to be making the cold Korean tofu. I don't know if you guys recall or saw, but in my what I eat in a day, I was trying to make this for lunch, but I didn't have any tofu, so I'm gonna show you today. I'm just gonna give you like generalizations today so you can get like sort of the idea of what you do to make it, but I'm thinking about incorporating a what I eat in a day once a month, so I will like do a bigger, fuller tutorial on it next month. I'm gonna start by just prepping some of the ingredients, and I will check back in with you guys in a second. Okay friends, here's what we are up to. Have a bowl here. I'm going to put some chopped green onion in there. I'm also going to put in chipotle chili powder and then minced garlic. I like to use a pretty good amount of garlic. Maybe that's a little overkill, but you know, a lot of garlic. The more garlic, the better, obviously. And now we move to the stove. Now this is the part that throws me sometimes, because we have to heat up the oil, and I am constantly worried about it burning. Throw that in. Yes, Molly Cat. I use like a pretty good amount of it, and I'm just gonna let it sit and just watching it very carefully so that I can catch it if the color starts to change. Really, you just want to let it heat up. It doesn't need to be anything crazy, and then we're gonna pour it over those ingredients in that bowl. I know, Molly, we're getting close. We're getting very close. And we're pouring that in over top of all of that stuff. Yum! I'll give that a nice mix in there. And then this is something new, but I want to try it. A little bit of this hot honey. And again, give her a mix. Here we go. Yummy. Alrighty, and then on the side, I do some seaweed. I also cut up a little bit of avocado to use. I'm just gonna sort of spoon that out onto the same plate. And then last but certainly not least, I just heated up a little bit of rice. I basically eat these like the same way that sorry, that noise was terrible. The same way that I eat our little fake sushi. Some rice on the bottom, some of the tofu, sort of plop that in there. Some of the cucumber, sauce and stuff. This can get pretty messy, FYI, so prepare yourself. That is delicious. I have a call in about 20 minutes, so I need to scarf this down. Hop on. Okay, just wrapped up my call, finished up lunch, which was delicious. And now we need to go on a little walk because our pieces that we painted at Color Me Mine are ready for pickup. And so I want to go grab those. And then we were coming back. We were starting on cleaning. The stays are already getting away from us. So I know I'm not going to get the full clean in today, but that's okay. That was part of the plan, is like, you know, to be able to slow roll it over a couple of days. So we'll at least get a nice start in today. It is so gorgeous out, you guys. Feels so warm in the sun. I just have like some nice chill music playing in my AirPods. It feels so good. I am so happy to be outside. I almost drove too because I was like, let's just go quick, but this is even better. We've got the goods. Let's go home and have a look at them. I'm excited. We're back home, but the little cat is demanding some outdoor time. Hi. Come here. Oh, there she is. She wants so much outdoor time, right? Good girl. So I'm gonna show you our Color Me Mine pieces out here. So why not, right? Let's see if this is my plate or Kate's. Oh, it's Kate's. It looks so cute. Look at little Ollie, you guys. She killed it. She killed it. I love it. Let me take a photo for her. Okay, that means this is my plate. So cute, you guys. Look at that. Just some pretty little flowers. I love that. So cute. Always so fun seeing the finished product. Okay, let's see what the boys came up with. Here's Becker's little sugar skull that he painted. So cute. Then last but certainly not least, Connor's. Which, if we all recall, Connor painted a blue mug. That's it. Just a blue mug. Very creative. And that's what we got from our Color Me Mine experience. It was very fun, actually. I would not be mad about like going back and doing it again. Now we're going to go inside, get our cleaning going. Young world, I'm the new slick Rick. They say I move too quick, but we can't let this moment pass us. Very excited because I am about to try my Dawn Power Wash for the first time. I have never ever used it, but I'm pretty pumped. Spray, wipe, rinse. And just start wiping. Okay, that looks pretty good. And then I think use a Clorox wipe, just one. Sort of go over everything. Any like stuck on bits, make sure those come off. I still don't think it's like a magic solution, but is there a magic solution to cleaning a range top? I don't really think so. Unfortunately for me. But if you happen to have one, let me know. Some magic project or product rather that makes it nice and easy. Okay, kitchen is complete. Obviously the floors have not been done yet. Oh my gosh, sorry. Turn that off. Okay, everything in here is done, so we are going to move in the direction of the living room. My Cheez-It box should be put away. Well, friends, it is 4:47 p.m. I cleaned for about 2 hours and managed to get the living room done, the kitchen done, and the office sort of situated-ish. Like, it's in pretty good shape, which I feel good about. Put away like a ton of clothes and stuff that I had in there. Anyway, we're in good shape. I feel really good about that. We'll have to work on like bathrooms. Oh, I also like tidied up in the bedroom. So like stuff is put away. It's just not like cleaned in all of the rooms. So yeah, obviously have to do the bathrooms and have to do the floors and like more dusting and stuff, but we're in pretty good shape. I will finish that up tomorrow. And now it is time for a workout. I'm working out at 5, so I have to get changed. And then it's gonna be straight out to Galentine's, which I'm so excited for.
8, 7, 6, get more today, 5, 4 sessions left, 3, 2, 1, rest it up, think about stretch, lift and lower, with a flexed foot.
Just finished getting ready, or I'm not totally ready yet, but sorry, Tara texted me. We are discussing what we are wearing currently because we always have to be on the same page. And of course we had like almost identical outfits already on because that's just us. But going to put my hair back up the way that it was earlier because I thought that that looked really cute. Really cute. It gets the hair like mostly out of my face, even though I'm leaving these little pieces down the front. Finally, these front pieces of my hair are starting to cooperate slightly more. Still not fully, but they're getting better. So we are doing our best with them. And then just the back of my hair twisted and a little clip in there. Bam. That looks good. Oh, my Uber is like, here you guys, I gotta run. Had my pants rolled up because I was waiting for my toenails to dry. My Uber got here so quick. Literally never in my life have I had an Uber come this quick. But anyway, here's the look. It's cute, simple, and I gotta get in the car right now. Let's go. Thank you. Beat Tara here because my Uber got here in like 2 seconds, like I said, but just ordered myself a little martini. I think Tara's going to do the same. Looking delish. We got put in the tiniest little corner. There were like no tables left. He was like, this is our only table. Let me show you my gorgeous view. Beautiful. We are right in this little corner here, but it will be fine for just a drink. Martini ladies in our cute little spot here. The beautiful view. Cheers, happy Galentine.
Happy Galentine. My love.
My love. Arriving to dinner.
Yay.
Slightly tipsy after those martinis. We love it.
Good.
They were so good.
Right here.
Thank you. All right, martinis round 2, and we told him that we like them really dirty, so he brought us literally extra sides of olive juice. And look at all these olives.
We are requesting this every single time.
It is so good.
Every time.
I'm so excited. Also starting with the kale salad. This is the infamous kale salad that I've tried to recreate. It is so good. I'm so excited to eat this again, and I will be paying very close attention to the flavors so I can continue to try to recreate.
I'm excited to try.
All right, next, crispy provolone. Look at these. Giant cheese discs.
1 each.
I know, literally, 1 each.
Look at this.
It is so good with this little side of vodka sauce.
Oh.
I am here for it.
All right.
Also, ratings on the salad.
Oh, it's a 10-10. I can't believe this.
Best salad ever, right?
I'm going to try this.
Me too, it's so good.
It's ridiculous.
Best salad ever.
It's so yummy.
I know, it's amazing. Meals have arrived. I got the cacio e pepe. Haven't tried this here before, but very excited to. Sarah got the spicy rigatoni, which I have tried and is amazing.
I'm losing.
You're gonna die.
my mind.
It's gonna be so good.
Losing it.
So excited.